How to reduce CPU temperature on your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can reduce CPU temperature of your Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is see which processes and applications are taking up your CPUs most. So for that, search for Task Manager and open that up. On your Task Manager, here you can see a lot of different options, and here you can see which applications are using up your CPU. Here you can see the major applications, you can see the apps and the background processes. And whichever app or background process is using up your CPU the most, you can simply right click on it and then tap on the End Task option. And after you do that, that task will end and it will basically just save up your CPU and not use a lot of it. And that's one way of doing it. The other thing that you can do is edit your power plan. For that, simply open up your Start and search for Edit Power Plan. And this should open up right here. Tap on this and open this Edit Plan Settings. Now, right here you can see different options. What you can do is select this Change Advanced Power Settings. And under this, you'll find different options. So here what you'll need to do is right under Processor Power Management, expand on that. And under Maximum Processor Rate, by default, these will be on 100. Select that and put it on 90. You can put it between 80 to 90, and you can do that for minimum processor rate state as well. And doing that should fix your problem. You can tap on Apply here and then tap on OK. And doing that will put and reduce a lot of effect on your CPU, which will basically then just cool down. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye, take care.